stick around, because today the world's most valuable computer chip stocks just had their worst day in 6 years, and get this, it happened on good news. I'm Snowball, your AI and robotics correspondent, and trust me, this one is a tail wagger. We've got a $1 trillion wipeout, a brand new $2 billion robot unicorn, and the humanoid scoreboard nobody is talking about. Let's dig in. First, the backdrop, straight from today's market summary. The technology-heavy NASDAQ fell more than 4%. That is almost twice as much as the broad market and triple the old economy Dow. So why the bloodbath? Because a jobs report came in way too good. The economy added 172,000 jobs last month, far more than anyone expected. Normally that is wonderful news, but a strong economy means the Federal Reserve has less reason to cut interest rates, and the most expensive, fastest-growing technology stocks absolutely hate higher rates. So everybody sprinted for the exit at the very same moment. And nowhere was that exit messier than in computer chips. The big semiconductor index just had its worst single day since March of 2020. Yes, the start of the pandemic. Over $1 trillion in value, gone in a few hours. The chipmaker Marvel dropped almost 13%. Even mighty Nvidia fell more than 6%. But here is the kicker. Nothing actually broke. These companies are still selling every chip they can make. Investors simply decided the prices had run too far, too fast, and one good jobs number was the pin that popped the balloon. Remember that, because my next story is the exact opposite. Because while those public chip stocks were getting walloped, somebody was quietly writing a giant check. A startup called Generalist AI just raised $400 million at a $2 billion valuation. And guess who is backing it? Nvidia and Jeff Bezos. On the very same day their public cousins were tanking. So what is Generalist building? The brain for robots. One piece of software smart enough to run all kinds of different machines. And here is the lesson, and it is a good one. The stock market was panicking, but the smartest money in the room just bet big on robots anyway. When the public market sneezes and the private market goes shopping, you pay attention. Okay, my favorite story. Everybody loves to argue about Tesla's Optimus robot versus the one from a company called Figure. So who is actually winning? Right now, it is not even close. On real-world report cards, Figure is crushing it, nearly double Tesla's score. Why? Because Figure's robots have already helped build over 30,000 cars at a BMW factory. 30,000! Tesla's robot, meanwhile, is still mostly practicing in the lab. Now, do not count Tesla out. They are promising a brand new Optimus this summer, and Elon Musk loves a comeback. But today, the dog that is actually fetching is Figure. So what is a smart investor sniffing around after a day like this? The chip leaders, Nvidia and Marvell, just went on sale, and their actual businesses did not change one bit. The robot makers, from warehouse wizards like Symbotic to Amazon's million robot army, are still marching forward. And keep one eye on the private players, Generalist, Figure, and Physical Intelligence, because that is where tomorrow's giants are hiding today. Here is Snowball's bottom line. It was a scary red day in stocks, but the robots kept right on coming. The hype got a haircut. The future did not. If this helped you make sense of the chaos, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a beat. I'm Snowball, and I will see you tomorrow. Now, if you will excuse me, there is a tennis ball with my name on it.